Hey there, Touchboards Nation, it's Anthony here. Now in today's world, you never really know what can happen. And everybody's goal is to make sure that you're safe. So that's why Touchboards is proud to carry the Bully Brakes temporary door lock solution. Now this is it. It's not complicated. It's not hard to use at all. I'm going to show you. So the Bully Brakes is a temporary door lock bracket. It's made out of heavy steel. And if you've got someone running through your school, running through your office, the first thing you're going to do is try to close that door, and you want to keep that person from coming in. This can help you do that. You just take these, and as long as you've got hinges on the side, like so, you can just drop them on the hinge like that. I mean, you're talking within seconds, you can secure your door. And now all you can really do is crack the door open. So you can be on the other side pushing on it, and all it's really going to do is get cracked open. When the threat's passed, you just lift it off, and there you go. There is no installation. There is no electricity, so if the power goes out, you can still use it. And basically, there's nothing you have to do except that. That's it. Now you worry about durability. These are super thick steel. It's 5/16 of an inch. Actually takes over 3 tons of force to bend this steel. So you really don't have to worry about someone bending this and trying to bypass it. It's pretty thick. If you've got an older door with smaller hinges that needs a thinner bracket, we can get those for you too. They are thinner, but it'll still take over 1 ton of pressure to bend that. So most people aren't going to be able to do anything with that. So the Bully Brakes carries a lifetime warranty. So obviously it's super tough. You don't have to worry about it. And this is going to work great in any education or workplace environment. Again, as long as you've got the hinges on the door, just drop it right on there and you're nice and secure. Now, we recommend 1 Bully Brakes bracket per hinge, but if you can't reach that top hinge, you at least want to have the middle and the bottom covered because your door is still going to be nice and secure. And clearly, I mean, if you have them all on there, it's the most secure, but 2 is pretty good as well. And that's at least the minimum that Touchboards recommends. If you can get all 3, even better. They are sold per each, so if you can get 3 brackets on your door, you're in great shape. Again, they deploy within seconds, they come off in seconds, and it's portable, all right? This is it. So you can take it with you if you travel room to room. If you're in the same room all the time, stash them in your desk drawer, put them next to the door on a shelf. We even have a magnetic bracket so you can stick it right on the door frame and have it there ready to go if there's ever an emergency. So again, Touchboards is proud to carry this. We think it's going to keep a lot of people safe. It's super easy to use, and it's super affordable. So you call us up if you've got any questions. 866-942-6273.